May it please, my lords. My lords, your lordships are seized of challenges to the Waqf Act, and those cases are still pending. Now, pursuant to the Act, the amendment in 2025, the government mandated that a portal under those rules and that we have to file as mutawalis.
See, you are not challenging the virage of the act.
My lords, those challenges are pending, my lords.
Pending.
Yes, my lord.
So your problem is that there is no compatibility on the website.
One part of it, not all of it, my lords. There are some rule-based challenges that we are making,
So
my
for
lords.
that purpose, why can't you go to High Court?
No, my lords, may I just make 2-3 points, my lords, if I may. I'll just take 2 minutes. I promise, my lords. My lords, one, my lords, the High Court and tribunals, because your lordships are seized of the challenges, your lordships are not willing to entertain, my
We are seized of the challenge of the main principal statute.
Yes, my lord.
Understandable.
Yes.
That if you had laid challenge to a provision, then probably your matter can, you can legitimately say, High Court won't examine because the matter is sub judice here.
My lord.
You are only pointing out the difficulty being experienced,
My lord.
and that a difficulty which is essentially of administrative nature, while giving effect to the new set of the rules.
My lords,
We understand your difficulty. We appreciate that part. But that is an issue because it pertains to state of Madhya Pradesh. So maybe that at different locality, different towns, this difficulty. High Court is the well-equipped authority.
may I just make one other submission, my lords? That is the compatibility, the nature of the portal is only one of our 6 challenges. The problem is, my lords, under the rules, they have reclassified how you abide and define yourself as a waqf. Previously, for hundreds of years, the system was it is waqf by survey. Now the portal does not allow that at all. It is now waqf by user only. So there is no drop down.
What portal is of the state Waqf board?
No, my lords, this is central, under the central rules, my lords. There is no state board at all, my lords, that makes these rules. It's the Ministry of Minority Affairs that has made these rules. Yes, my lords. My lords?
Page 33 of
Yes,
your petition,
Yes, my lord.
please, last 4 lines of paragraph
My lords,
29.
I'm just going to this, my lords.
Extension rejection by this for extension of time.
Yes, my lords. This is the order rejecting the extension of time under the.
No, madam, please read. Paragraph 29, last 4 lines.
Yes, may I read, my lords?
In the said meeting,
Yes, my lords. 2511, my lords, 2025, respondent number 3 replied to the RTI application filed by so-and-so, local residents, which contains correspondence between respondents 3 and 1 in relation to the portal and minutes of meeting, wherein the issue related to the state of Madhya Pradesh was discussed. The petitioner also filed an RTI application on so-and-so date for similar grievances before respondent number 2.
right.
A minutes of the meeting of a zonal review meeting dated 26/9/2025 at Bhopal had taken place under the guidance of respondent number 1. In the said meeting, it was recorded that the state of Madhya Pradesh total waqf properties are 33,532 as stated by respondent number 3. In the said meeting, it was recorded that waqf by survey is not a this is our ground, my lords, is not a recognized category under the Waqf Act 1995, and all such properties should be registered as Waqf by user by respondent number 1.
So,
Yes, my lords.
so they clarified that walk by survey will be subsumed in the category of walk by user.
My lords, respectfully, that is the issue.
That is an issue.
That's the
means-
challenge.
That cannot be a challenge of a glitch. It would be a challenge whether there can be further classification or not. The issue is it's not a difficult situation for your client to upload data under the walk by user category.
My lords, respectfully,
You
if I
can always do it and then put in an objection that it shouldn't be a walk by.
respond, my lords, I follow what your lordship is saying. The glitch is only one aspect. The classification by the portal is the second aspect.
That repetition is already pending before this court.
My lords, may I take you-
Where other points can be
May I
taken,
take
whether
you to
classifications are
section one,
sufficient
my
or
lord?
not.
May I-
But your main thrust is that the portal is dysfunctional so far as your client is concerned. Your client doesn't know how a walk by survey is to be uploaded. On the other hand, your pleading shows that you have clearly indicated, put it up under the heading walk by user.
No, my lords, that is the only option I have.
No, that is
Only
the
option.
option you are
Work by
advised.
user.
You choose not to take the advice.
No, my lords, the
That's
work
your
by
problem.
user is the only option given, and the
Correct, so
problem.
put it up by walk by user.
But work by user results in four other issues, my lords. One, anyone can file as work by user. An encroacher can also file as work by user. This results in more litigation. This results in property loss.
That's the authority's headache.
No, my lords, the problem
Not
is,
here as a public interest litigant.
my lords,
You are here as an individual.
as a muttawali, my lords. Yes, yes, the caretaker.
You are a registered walk.
Yes, my
You
lord.
have a registration. So you shouldn't have any grievance or difficulty that if you are classified with other walks, which, as you say, are walks which are conventional walks by practice and not through the creation of a deed which is registered, it doesn't make really a difference
My lords,
because
may-
these are two different things, madam.
Yes.
If you see the provisions of the Act, and also even prior to the present
Amendments, yes.
required registration of walks. And
No
you
quarrel.
are a registered
No
walk.
quarrel there, my
So
lord.
there is no
I am a pre-existing.
dilution of rights by putting
May-
your data
I am
under the walk by.
existing registered waqf. Under the new act and the amendment and the rules, all waqfs have to re-register under the portal. Now the registration,
Registered under the portal.
we have to, my lords. We have to upload under the portal.
Upload data
Under the
Data,
portal.
that's all.
There is a difference between registration and data upload.
I bow down to that. So we have to upload under the portal. If we do not upload under the portal, my lords, then section 61
Yes, consequences follow.
consequences follow, including loss of property, derecognition, so on and so forth, and penal consequences against the muttawali.
And that is why that even if you are a walk by survey,
Yes.
when you are advised to put your data up by walk by user, you are in due compliance of the provisions of the Act. That by itself does not change your character. Your character or the walk character is dependent on the registration and the deed through which you have been created.
My lords, what
That uploading
what-
is
my
just
lords,
a
may I say
data-
this, my
data
lords,
review.
the glitch is only one of 6 challenges. The classification. So the district collector.
Yeah.
For glitch, please don't come to Supreme
No,
Court.
we are not. We are not here on the glitch, my lords. I am here. That's why I started by classification.
If you have any administrative and internal functional difficulty, go and approach the authority. Or if you have any statewide problem, then go to the High Court.
No, my lords, if we are right now, the tribunals constituted under the rules are not entertaining because your lordships are seized of the matter. This is the problem, my lords. So, my lords, may I request this, my lords? Would your lordship then just record one thing that I may be permitted to be heard, my lords, by the relevant authority? And in which case, my lords, because right now our challenges are not, there are petitions being filed in the High Court, they're not being heard for this reason. I'm so grateful.
Petition at a considerable length. We see no there is ground to entertain this petition. The petitioner shall be well advised to approach the prescribed authorities
For clarification.
for clarification and for redressal of his grievances for which liberty is granted. For which the liberty is granted.
I'm grateful. I'm very grateful, my lords.